Coding a nature walk. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of steps. Write down the set of steps needed to visit different sites on the nature walk. These are the commands you will use. Arrow right to go right. Arrow left to go left. Arrow up to go up. And arrow down to go down. These are the things you will find: a rock, flowers, a fuzzy caterpillar, a squirrel, and a bird. Don't forget to start at the start for each site. This is how you get to the flower. 5 arrows down and 1 arrow to the right. Can you write one big algorithm to visit each site? I bet you can. Have fun!